Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code plugin which allows you to download and install Node.js dependencies right in the VS Code itself. You don't need to go to command prompt and install it using manually. So this is the plugin here that you just need to install. Just if you go to extensions tab, just right here NPM, and this extension will come right here. It's just developed by this person. It's got 336,000 installs, and simply you need to click the install button and install this extension, and it comes with autocomplete. So once you install this, you will see in the sidebar section this section will be added. So if you click on that, so basically you open your package.json file here. So you open your package.json file, then click on this option, and then it will add this search bar. So here you can basically search for any npm dependency, and as you type here it will show you this autocomplete with version number, what is the total number of installs. Everything will be available to you right here in the VS Code itself. Just need to search for the dependencies, and right here as you click it, it will install the latest version, and as well it will also update the package.json file. So as you can see, it has installed the 5.1.0 version of Express. You can install multiple dependencies, so this will save you a lot of time. Simply select whichever dependency that you want to install, and you can see it installed this Malter dependency, and it also installs automatically the dev dependencies which are needed. So in this easy way, you search for the package, whichever package you want to install. Simply click on that, and with a single click, that package will be installed, and automatically your package.json file will be updated. So you don't need to go to terminal and manually install packages. So you can install this extension inside VS Code, and as you can see here, so if you just type for the extension, so you have basically all these extensions available. You simply click on that, and automatically that extension will be installed here. You will see that the latest version will be installed. And if you just want to see the more information related to this package, you simply click on that, and you can even select from a variety of versions. So if you don't want to install the latest version, just change this, just change the version number, change a older version. So simply click on that search bar, so it will show you all the versions of this package. Simply click on that version number, and then it will update that version to that specific version. So personally I use this extension a lot inside Node.js projects, and this helped me a lot in saving time, because I can install a specific version by simply clicking on that, and then in the drop down it will show you all the versions which are there of that specific package, and automatically it will install that package with that specific version number. So if you just want to update this to the latest version, so you simply select the latest version and update this. So it's very easy to manage Node.js packages inside VS Code with this extension. So definitely install this npm autocomplete extension, which allows you to install Node.js packages right in the VS Code. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.